Welcome to our channel of reviews of essential appliances for your kitchen. Today, we're going to talk about this incredible Toshiba microwave. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all the news. Leave your like to help us grow, and watch until the end to check out all the details of this in-depth review. To make things easier, we've left the secure link to the website that sells this Toshiba microwave in the description. The Toshiba EM131A5C-BS countertop microwave oven offers a versatile and efficient solution for your kitchen needs. With a capacity of 1.2 cubic feet and a 12.4-inch removable turntable, this microwave is spacious enough to fit a 12-inch pizza, making it ideal for both small and large meals. Its sleek black exterior and compact dimensions, 17.1-inch dx 20.5, wx 12.8 h, ensure it fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor. Equipped with a smart humidity sensor, this microwave simplifies cooking by automatically adjusting the time and temperature based on the moisture levels of the food. This feature is particularly useful for reheating popular items such as pizza, potatoes, and vegetables. The microwave boasts 1,100 watts of power with 10 different settings, allowing you to tailor the cooking process to your specific needs. The one-touch start function for multiple food presets enhances convenience, while the custom defrost and auto defrost options ensure that your food is thawed evenly and efficiently. The control panel is user-friendly, featuring a large digital display that is easy to read. It includes a clock, kitchen timer, and a mute function to disable the buzzer. This microwave also offers an eco mode, which reduces standby power consumption by up to 50%, contributing to energy savings and environmental protection. Cleaning the microwave is straightforward due to its easy-to-clean interior coating, which is both scratch and stain-resistant. Simply wiping with a damp cloth keeps the interior spotless. The microwave also includes a soften/melt function, which is perfect for delicate tasks like melting butter or chocolate. Positive points: smart humidity sensor automatically adjusts cooking settings for optimal results. Large capacity, 1.2 cubic feet, enough to handle large meals. Multiple power levels, 1,100 watts with 10 power settings. Eco mode reduces standby power consumption by up to 50%. Easy to clean interior, scratch and stain-resistant coating. User-friendly control panel, large digital display and mute function. Negative points: size might be too large for very small kitchens or limited counter space. Noise: some users might find it slightly noisy during operation. Why buy or not buy? You should consider buying the Toshiba EM131A5C-BS countertop microwave oven if you need a reliable, high-capacity microwave with advanced features like a smart humidity sensor and multiple pre-programmed settings. Its sleek design and user-friendly interface make it a great addition to any kitchen. However, if you have very limited counter space or are sensitive to noise, you might want to explore other options. Overall, this microwave offers excellent value with its combination of functionality, convenience, and efficiency. Leave your opinion on this Toshiba microwave in the comments, and if you have any questions, write to me so I can answer them. If you've watched this far, don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell so you don't miss any new videos.